Part 1. The beginning of the misunderstanding. Inside the cafe, friends are chatting.
Sarah, your dress looks really beautiful today. It suits you well.
Thanks, John. I got it on sale. Took some time to choose the color.
Your choices are always excellent. It was a perfect pick for today.
Really, Sarah? You have a special sense of fashion.
Thanks, both of you. You've made me feel even better.
Sarah leaves her seat for a moment.
John, did you hear the rumor that Sarah started dating Brian?
What? Really? This is the first I'm hearing of it. Since when?
It started a few weeks ago. People say they've seen them together a couple of times.
Really? But why didn't Sarah tell me anything about it?
At that moment, Sarah returns to her seat.
Sarah, wait. Is there something going on between you and Brian?
Brian? What are you talking about? There's nothing going on. Who told you that?
It's just something I heard among friends. I thought you should know.
Why would you believe such a rumor? You know, I have no interest in Brian.
Tension arises among the friends in the cafe.
John, don't jump to conclusions. Sarah and Brian just met during a volunteer activity.
But people have seen them together, haven't they?
It's just a rumor, John. Nothing is certain yet.
Do you trust rumors more than me, John? After all the time we've spent together, you doubt me so easily. I'm really disappointed.
Sarah leaves the cafe angrily. John looks at her with a blank expression. Part 2. Confusion and regret. After Sarah leaves the cafe in anger, an uncomfortable silence falls among the friends.
John, what are you doing? Why did you jump to conclusions so quickly?
I don't know, Emily. I was just worried about Sarah.
But you acted too quickly, John. You asked her without even checking the facts.
Listen, John. It's true that Brian helped Sarah a few times during volunteer work. But that's all it was. Nothing more happened.
Is that so? I was really foolish. I can't imagine how surprised Sarah must have been.
Now, you need to find Sarah more than anything, and talk to her face to face. Tell her how you feel and why you asked that question.
Yeah, you're right. I'll go find Sarah and explain everything.
And John tried to calm down. Sarah must be feeling confused too. You need to be calm to make her understand your true feelings.
John gets up quickly and leaves the cafe in a hurry. Emily and Michael look at each other with worried expressions.
Do you think Sarah will listen to John?
I'm not sure. But at least John realizes his mistake. That's important.
Through the cafe window, John is seen running away quickly. Part 3. Shadows in Tears. John is running around the park looking for Sarah. He eventually found Sarah with Brian on a bench.
Sarah, there you are. What's going on with you and Brian?
John, what are you doing here? Brian was just comforting me, that's all.
Comforting you? Why on earth is Brian comforting you now?
John, wait, this is a misunderstanding. I was just helping Sarah, because she seemed upset.
Seeing you two together makes me think my suspicions were right.
What are you thinking, John? I'm so angry right now. Just leave me alone.
Sarah, unable to hold back her anger, quickly leaves the park. John tries to follow her, but Brian stops him.
John, hold on a minute. There's something I need to talk to you about. There are things I need to clear up.
Talk. What could you possibly say in this situation?
Trust me, what you think about Sarah and me is wrong. Let me tell you the truth.
John looks at Brian with a mix of anxiety and curiosity. Brian's eyes are filled with sincerity.
There's something you need to know, John. And it's important, regarding how I feel about Sarah.
Brian's heartfelt words slowly unfold in the quiet atmosphere of the park. John listens silently. Part 4. The Confession of Truth.
I first met Sarah during our volunteer work. I was touched by her innocence and hard work.
So you had feelings for Sarah.
Yes, I did at first. But as I talked more with her, I realized her heart is full of you, John, only you.
But why did such rumors start?
I heard those rumors too. They're not true. So I was on my way to explain it to you. Then I happened to see Sarah crying in the park. So I was just comforting her for a moment, that's all.
Sarah was crying because of me.
I understand your misunderstanding. But my feelings for Sarah are over now. I only wish for her happiness, and I know that happiness is in your hands.
Brian, I appreciate your honesty. I need to be honest with Sarah too, about everything.
Brian nods to John and conveys his sincerity. John falls into deep thought over Brian's words. Part 5. The Lost Connection. John looks around among the people on the street, trying to find Sarah. He holds his phone tightly, but there is no message from Sarah.
Sarah, please tell me where you are. I really want to talk to you.
Meanwhile, Sarah is talking on the phone with Emily.
Emily, I'm so confused. Why did John think that way about me?
Sarah, John did it because he was worried about you. I'm sure he regrets it now.
But that misunderstanding hurt me so much. How could he doubt me so easily?
People make mistakes sometimes. John loves you, that's why he made a mistake. And you love him too, don't you?
That's true, but...
Then give John a chance. Open up your feelings and listen to his story. You'll be able to understand each other's true feelings.
Sarah falls silent for a moment. Her heart is filled with conflict and thought.
Okay, Emily, I'll think about it. Thank you so much.
After the call ends, Sarah looks out her window and falls into deep thought. John is still wandering the streets, looking for Sarah. Part 6. An Unexpected Message.
Michael, I was really stupid. I regret doubting Sarah so quickly.
Everyone makes mistakes, John. What matters is that you admit them and try to correct them.
But Sarah doesn't even answer my calls. I don't know what to do.
Suddenly, John's phone rings. It's a text message from Sarah.
Sarah, she wants to meet. I can't believe it.
See, you have a chance now. Go and show her your true feelings.
Michael, I'm sorry. I need to go now.
John quickly gets up and runs out of the cafe. Michael looks at him, smiles, and nods his head.
Good luck, John. I hope things work out with Sarah.
Part 7. Bridge of Forgiveness. Sarah and John are facing each other in a quiet park.
Sarah, I've been looking for you so much.
John, I was so angry with you back then, sorry.
No, Sarah, rather, I am the one who should apologize first. My quick judgment hurt you.
I was hurt because you misunderstood me. I didn't know you would suspect me like that.
I also really regret saying those things to you at that moment. It was my foolishness that hurt your feelings. Can you forgive me?
I understand your true feelings. I'm trying to understand you too. Because I love you, I will forgive you.
Sarah, I will never doubt my love for you. You are the most precious person in my life.
John, I love you too. I'm glad we can understand each other again.
They look at each other and smile.
Sarah, I want to talk more with you in the future and understand each other more deeply.
Me too. Together we can overcome any difficulty.
They share a kiss, promising their future together. The story ends with them crossing the bridge of love, forgiveness, and understanding.
You're watching the channel Pattern English. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit the like button.
Thanks for watching this video.
Pattern English.